What sets the wealthy apart from the rest of us? Is it just their bank accounts, or is there something deeper at play? The journey to financial success is often about more than just hard work and luck. It's shaped by a unique mindset and specific behaviors that distinguish the rich from the average person. Understanding these thought patterns and actions can unlock the secrets to building and maintaining wealth. Have you ever wondered what these key traits are, and if you might already be on the path to adopting them? In this video, I will take you into the mindset of the rich, uncovering the habits and traits that can transform your approach to wealth and success. Watch until the end to get yourself unstuck and start climbing out of the rat race. I'm committed to helping as many people as possible get rich. I bring valuable information about building wealth every week, so if you're looking for ways to get super rich, please consider subscribing to my channel. As we go through this, I'm going to ask you some very important questions. Think about your answers and be honest with yourself. This is going to help you tremendously. Your mind will be flooded with things you can do right now to start building real wealth. All right, here we go, so pay close attention. The first thing you need to learn about is the mindset of wealthy individuals. Wealth isn't just about the numbers in your bank account. It's a state of mind. What if the secret to financial success lies in how you think? Wealthy individuals often possess a growth mindset, constantly seeking opportunities to learn and expand their knowledge base. They view money not as an end goal, but as a tool to solve problems and create more opportunities. This perspective shift allows them to see beyond immediate gratification and focus on long-term wealth creation. How do rich people think differently about money and success compared to the average person? They focus on abundance rather than scarcity, believing opportunities always exist to increase their wealth. Instead of being content with a single income stream, they actively seek to diversify their income sources. This mindset of abundance and opportunity is a fundamental difference that sets wealthy individuals apart from those struggling financially. Another critical aspect of the wealthy mindset is the willingness to take calculated risks. Rich people understand that great rewards often come with significant risks, but they approach them strategically. They're not reckless gamblers, but informed decision-makers who carefully weigh the potential outcomes before moving. Could adopting this balanced approach to risk-taking help you seize opportunities that others might miss out on due to fear or hesitation? The next thing you need to know about are the critical traits of rich people's thinking. What key traits distinguish wealthy individuals from the rest of us? One of the most prominent is their focus on earning more rather than just saving. While saving is important, rich people prioritize increasing their income through multiple streams. Imagine having a high-paying primary job and also investing in stocks, real estate, or starting side businesses to generate additional income. This multi-pronged approach to wealth creation accelerates financial growth and builds a more stable financial foundation. Have you ever set a clear, defined goal with a strict deadline? Setting specific, measurable objectives is another hallmark of rich people's thinking. They don't just have vague aspirations. They create detailed plans to achieve them. Instead of saying, "I want to be rich," a wealthy person might set a goal like, "I want to increase my net worth by $100,000 this year through a combination of salary savings, investment returns, and income from my side business." This level of specificity makes it easier to track progress and stay motivated. How often do you focus on working smart instead of just working hard? Wealthy individuals emphasize efficiency and productivity. They constantly seek ways to maximize their efforts, whether by delegating tasks that don't require their direct involvement, leveraging technology to automate processes, or investing in personal development to enhance their skills. By working smarter, they achieve more in less time, freeing up resources to pursue additional opportunities. Could adopting these critical traits help you transform your approach to wealth and success? Now I will tell you about how the wealthy approach money and success. What can we learn from the wealthy about money and success? Wealthy individuals have a long-term perspective on investments. They understand the power of compound interest and are patient enough to let their investments grow over time. Instead of chasing quick gains or getting swayed by market fluctuations, they focus on building a diversified portfolio that can weather economic storms and provide steady growth over the years. How do you react to failure? For the wealthy, failure is not a deterrent, but a learning opportunity. They understand that setbacks are a natural part of any journey to success. When they encounter failures, they analyze what went wrong, extract valuable lessons, and use that knowledge to inform their future decisions. This resilience and ability to learn from mistakes often distinguishes them from those who give up at the first sign of difficulty. Have you ever considered the power of networking and relationship building in achieving success? The wealthy know that who you know can be as important as what you know. They actively cultivate relationships with other successful individuals, recognizing that these connections can lead to new opportunities, partnerships, and valuable insights. They attend industry events, join professional organizations, and aren't afraid to reach out to people they admire for advice or collaboration. Could embracing these strategies help you approach money and success in a more effective way? Now let's find out if you show any signs that you're adopting a rich person's mentality. Have you ever wondered if you're already thinking like a wealthy individual? One key sign is financial discipline. Are you avoiding unnecessary debt, maintaining an emergency fund, and consistently investing a portion of your income? If so, you're exhibiting traits shared among the wealthy. This level of financial responsibility shows a long-term perspective on money management. Do you have a commitment to continuous learning? If you constantly seek new knowledge, stay updated on market trends, and invest in your personal and professional development, you're aligning with the mindset of wealthy individuals. This could manifest as reading financial books, attending workshops, or pursuing additional qualifications to enhance your skills and earning potential. Don't forget the fact that you're watching this video right now. That tells me you are serious about getting rich. Are you a goal setter? If you have clear, actionable goals with specific deadlines and regularly track your progress towards them, you're thinking like a rich person. This goal-oriented approach applies not just to financial objectives, but to all areas of life, demonstrating a drive for continuous improvement and achievement common among the wealthy. Could these signs indicate that you're on the path to adopting a rich person's mentality and transforming your approach to wealth and success? Now let me tell you about the financial habits that mimic the wealthy. What financial habits can set you on the path to wealth? One of the most powerful habits of wealthy individuals is living below their means. Despite having significant resources, many wealthy people maintain a more modest lifestyle than they can afford. This doesn't mean they deprive themselves, but rather make conscious choices about where to allocate their money, prioritizing investments and wealth building over conspicuous consumption. Do you automate your savings? Regular saving and investing is another crucial habit of the wealthy. Rich people often automate their savings, ensuring that a portion of their income is consistently set aside for the future. They also tend to start investing early and do so regularly, understanding the power of compound interest over time. This disciplined approach to saving and investing helps them build wealth steadily and consistently. How do you prioritize value in your spending? Wealthy individuals prioritize value over price. They're willing to spend more on quality items that will last longer or provide significant benefits rather than cheaper alternatives that might need frequent replacement. This approach extends to how they invest in themselves. they're often willing to spend money on education, health, and experiences that can enrich their lives and potentially lead to greater earnings in the future. Could adopting these financial habits help you mimic the success of the wealthy? Are your behaviors aligned with rich people's thinking? Have you ever considered whether your behaviors align with those of wealthy individuals? Start by examining your relationship with money. Do you view it as a tool for creating opportunities and solving problems, or simply as a means to buy things? How you perceive money can reveal how closely your thinking aligns with the rich. Are you focused on building multiple income streams, or are you content with a single source of income? Wealthy individuals often prioritize diversifying their income sources to secure financial stability and growth. Your approach to income can reflect whether you share this mindset. What about goal setting and risk-taking? Do you set specific, measurable goals with clear deadlines? Are you willing to take calculated risks to achieve these objectives? Wealthy individuals are known for their clear vision and strategic approach to risk, traits that set them apart in pursuing their goals. Lastly, reflect on your commitment to personal growth and networking. Do you invest consistently in your education and skill development? Are you proactive in building relationships with successful peers? These actions are key indicators of adopting a wealthy mindset, emphasizing continuous learning and leveraging professional networks. Thinking like a rich person isn't just about dreaming of wealth. It requires a shift in mindset and specific behaviors. By understanding and implementing these thought patterns and habits, you can align yourself more closely with the mindset of wealthy individuals. Remember, wealth isn't solely measured by your bank account, but by your approach to life and the choices you make daily. Consider starting with one new habit or mindset shift discussed here. It could be the first step towards thinking and potentially acting more like a rich person. Now that your brain is spinning with ideas about getting rich, keep your momentum up and click on the next video. 5 income-generating assets to quit your job. Go ahead and click on this one now, and let's build big money.